so happy to see you here. Thank you for joining me for a kids and family yoga class online. I am Vasanthi and I am a kids yoga teacher here at Beloved Yoga, Sanctuary for All in Reston. And I thought we could explore what's been taking place right now outside in nature. Have you noticed all the spring blooms coming out in the trees, on the ground, all the buds starting to open, right? And it's so beautiful to see. And I thought we could do a little play with that, with our nature. And so let's take our hand. Let's look at these two amazing hands. What are all the different things they could be? They could be that little bud, right? Like that little bud in the tree. And all of a sudden reaching up, reaching up, reaching up to the sun, opening out, and then bringing it back. And let's see if we can open that flower, that bud, with a breath. Inhale up, and then exhale down. Inhale up, and then as you exhale, like you're fogging up the mirror, beautiful, send that flower bud all the way up. Open and keep it open this time, and bring it back down and bring it right in front of you so you can look into that flower. See all the flower petals? What color are your petals? And let's take a moment and let's look at the flower, the design. My flower has a rainbow of colors. And let's see what kind of smell it has. Take a sniff in. Smell its fragrance. Take a breath in. One more. That smells delicious. And then slowly close it and release down. And then these magnificent hands from that flower can also become wings, right? Wings of a butterfly, right? And can we take our butterfly wings, open and close them? Maybe hook our thumbs and fly them up and fly them down and then fly them up and then fly them down. Can you make that butterfly go quick? Did you ever see them going across on the grass when you're playing outside? Maybe playing, kicking a ball, you see them fluttering. And can you make a circle with your butterfly? Make it a small circle and then let it get bigger. And a big circle. Wow, awesome. And then make your circle go the other direction. Nice. And then bring your butterfly, right? In springtime, you see them all moving. And then let it rest down on a leaf, right? I'm gonna scoot back. So let that butterfly rest down. And what did it lay? Did you say an egg? Awesome job. You were right. An egg. Let's be that egg, shall we? What would it look like if we took our body into that egg shape? Let's curl tiny. And do you know what's growing inside that egg that the butterfly laid? You're right. It's a caterpillar. So let's picture our body like a caterpillar inside this cozy, comfortable, safe place of the egg. Go hide. And picture your body growing, your caterpillar legs, your body growing long, maybe even seeing the designs of your caterpillar body. And let's welcome these words in as we go inside into this safe, warm, nurturing place to grow. Grow like a caterpillar, grow like a caterpillar, grow like a caterpillar in an egg. Grow like a caterpillar, grow like a caterpillar, grow like a caterpillar in an egg. Do you know how the caterpillars come out? Did you know they chew their way out of their egg? So start to chew your way out because it's getting a little tight and cozy in here. and chew your way up. And then remember, caterpillars are low to the ground, right? So come down low to the ground and let's check out this new environment, this new place we just came on to. Check out the leaf. Look up, look behind you, come down. Stretch like a caterpillar, stretch like a caterpillar, stretch like a caterpillar on a leaf. Stretch like a caterpillar, stretch like a caterpillar, stretch like a caterpillar on a leaf. And let's take a moment, let's stretch all the way up, look behind us, and then come down, and then stretch all the way up, look behind you, and then come down. Let's move, move like a caterpillar, move like a caterpillar, move like a caterpillar on a leaf. That was great moving using your muscles. Move backwards, move like a caterpillar, move like a caterpillar, move like a caterpillar on a leaf. Nice, take your time. Come up and let's make that leaf, because what does the caterpillar need to do after coming out of this egg? Make your leaf, open the legs wide. You're right, they need to eat, they need some nourishment, they need some energy, right? Let's pretend our fingers are like the jaw of the caterpillar and our legs are the leaves that open wide. And then ready, we're gonna reach over, grab hold of that leaf. And then reach up, and then reach to the middle of that leaf. And then reach to the other side of the leaf. Grab hold, and then eat. And let's add some words to that. Eat like a caterpillar, eat like a caterpillar, eat like a caterpillar, getting fat, right? They need that nourishment, they need to grow. Eat like a caterpillar, eat like a caterpillar, eat like a caterpillar, getting nourished. Grab one more time, grab, 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 grab. And then reach to the center, reach, grab that leaf. And then reach over to the other side. Rub your tummy. That was yummy, yummy. So filling, right? Excuse me. I see a lot of chubby caterpillars and you look like you're getting tired and you're ready to change. What do you think we'd be changing into? You're right, into a butterfly. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use my mat like that chrysalis that the butterfly would go into. Go on, maybe you've got a blanket at home, your favorite blanket that keeps you snuggly and warm, or that yoga mat or something, or even a sweatshirt. Go on, go change. You gotta change from a caterpillar into, you're right, a butterfly. Change like a caterpillar, change like a caterpillar, change from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Let's offer those same words we said about the caterpillar as a butterfly in a chrysalis. You ready? Sing it with me. Grow like a butterfly, grow like a butterfly, grow like a butterfly in a chrysalis. Grow like a butterfly, grow like a butterfly, grow like a butterfly in a chrysalis. Picture your butterfly wings. What colors are they? What designs do they have? And picture yourself in this chrysalis changing, your caterpillar legs starting to go away, and you're growing these antennae and you're growing these beautiful wings, and it's starting to get very tight and cozy in here. And I think you're done changing and transforming into that butterfly. But wait, slow down. Don't rush up out of that chrysalis, because when a butterfly comes out of that chrysalis, did you know their wings are wet and they're closed and tight? So press your feet together and see your yourself like that butterfly coming out of the chrysalis, and feel your wet wings. And it was so tight, you gotta kind of open them up and get rid of those wrinkles and open and then close. And we have to dry these wings by fanning them open and close and opening them up to the sun. Nice, and let's do it with a breath to open. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, inhale, exhale. In and out. And then next time you open, stay open and feel and look up to the sun. Let the sun warm your wings and take your wings open side to side. And feel how wide they are. Look at the beautiful designs. Do you have spots, stripes? What colors are you? And then open them and close them this way. Nice, and let's take it with a breath. You ready? Can you move your wings up and down every time you inhale, every time you exhale? In, and then get your antenna. Good job, that was great. And then let's offer our song again. Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Stretch like a butterfly, stretch like a butterfly, stretch like a butterfly in the sky. Stretch like a butterfly, stretch like a butterfly, stretch like a butterfly in the sky. Nice. And fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. And you ready? Let's test out our wings. So wiggle those phalanges. Where are the peace phalanges, the ones that make the V? Grab hold of your big toes and let's test out these wings. So lean back, but keep the heart lifted. Don't collapse. Keep the heart lifted. You ready? Let's test out one wing. Open, close. Great job. And again, open, close. Make sure there's nothing behind you that you're going to bump into. And then open, close. And then one more time, open and close. And you ready? Let's take a challenge. I know you can do it. Say, I can do it. I'm capable. I am strong. And you ready? We're going to lean back. Let's see if we can stay up for the count of 10 in Spanish. You ready? I know you can do it. You ready? Open one wing, and they don't have to stretch all the way. You can keep them bent, and then open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Bring it down and scoot forward a little bit and make sure there's nothing behind you. And you ready? We're gonna have a little fun rolling back. So see if you can open your wings, roll back and come right back up to open wings without using your hands. You ready? Lift the heart. Open, open, open. You ready? Wee! And then come right back up and open it up, open up. And then again, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wee! Use that momentum. Come back up and open. And one more time. Wee! And open, open. Whoa! Stay open. And release. Good job. Bring the feet together. Keep your wings open. And you ready? We're going to go high. Go forward. Go down. Go high. High like a butterfly. High like a butterfly. High like a butterfly on a leaf. High like a butterfly. High like a butterfly. High like a butterfly on a leaf. Nice. Take a breath in. Come up. Breath out. And shall we take one time? It looks like the sun's gonna go down. Shall we take one time to go rest in our sleeping butterfly pose? So keep your wings together. Lean back. And you ready? Let's bring a hand to the belly. Both hands, rest them on your belly. Sleep like a butterfly. Sleep like a butterfly. Sleep like a butterfly in the night. butterfly, sleep like a butterfly, sleep like a butterfly in the night. Take a breath in, yawn it out. Again in, big yawn. And then let your wings start to stretch. Even stretching the wings up and giving yourself a hug. And roll to one side. Press yourself to come up. And bringing the feet back one last time. Now that we're awake again, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly, fly like a butterfly in the sky. Great job, fist bump. That was awesome. So notice all the things that are happening around outside as spring is here and the weather starts to warm and we get to have longer days of sun, right? And notice what's happening. The seeds, the plants that were deep in the ground now have started to, the seeds have started to open up, right? Even, we could even be that seed again, right? So what kind of seed and flower would you like to plant? And where would we have to put seeds? Down into the earth, right? Down into the ground. They need all the nutrients and nourishment. Let's go be that seed and go down, go hide and take your hands behind you and hide and know that everything you need, all the energy, all the wisdom you need to grow into what you're going to be is already inside you. So see yourself in the moist earth. Feel the moisture, the protection, the warmth in this dark space, but enough light coming through, and feel as it rains above you. You can feel the rain coming down, touching your outer coating and casing, and movement of creatures around. And as you're here, getting that nutrients from the soil and the rain, start to get a little movement. The first set of leaves inside start to come and start to push. So keep your first set of leaves, those are the cotyledon, that big fancy word for the first set, and start to push out of your casing and then start to reach that set of leaves up. Reach upward and keep reaching, and then set some roots down into the soil and then keep reaching, and then let those first set of leaves open up to the sun. So a first seedling that comes out of this ground looks like they're so tiny and fragile, but just like we are as babies and kids, we're strong, we're resilient. So root yourself down into the soil, and as the wind comes, don't let yourself fall. And as the rain comes, it might bring you down, but then you can come right back up because you've got all this resilience. You're so strong and powerful. Even when we're little, we are so capable. And let that rain come down again. And that wind. And then take a moment. And then the rainstorm's gone. Find that sun again and open. And then picture yourself growing lots of branches, right? And picture those branches coming up and taking the other side. And then maybe you find yourself get one side, and you can come to the wall. You can use some furniture in the house and find a place and let the knee lift up. Let the leg open. You can press the toes into the earth. You can reach your branches up. You can press the foot into the calf, and then let yourself feel that play. And if the foot comes down, no problem. Try it up again and see if you can find your tree pose. Whoa! And then take it to the other side. Find that tree pose. Nice. And then picture your fingers being like the leaves and the fruits. What fruits are you growing? So the roots are family, our friends, all the nourishment, all the strength in our legs and our trunk, everything that we have to offer, our friendship, our love, our playfulness. And then find that place. Nice. Now what do the trees do? They start to grow the flowers, right? They start to have those seeds, those buds that we did earlier, right? The buds come up, spring up, open, and then close. And then that flower starts to stay open. And at one point in spring, they're wide open, right? And closed, right? And then we can open too and come back. And what does that plant then do? The flower drops a seed, right? And then the seed lands in the soil, into the earth again. And then that cycle starts all over again in a new seed. Yeah, awesome job. You are so smart. Can you think of other animals that also have that life cycle starting from an egg? I know one, that frog, right? We have frogs that start off as an egg, right? And first it has to have the frog to have the eggs, to lay the eggs. And then what's inside that egg for a frog's egg? A tadpole, that's right. So we can picture ourselves small and tiny inside the pond, inside the water, and we're growing our frog body. We don't have legs yet because tadpoles have just their little flippers or tails, and we can come down and out of our eggs and be that tadpole and move side to side, even taking ourselves back. Can you do that, moving like a tadpole? Swim around, and then we start to grow a leg. Then we start to grow a leg. Then we start to grow another leg and another leg. And then this tadpole is changed into that frog. And we've got this strong frog, strong legs. Let's catch a fly. Don't move your head, just your eyes. Let's use our breath to make that fly sound. And remember your sticky tongue? Yep, that one, sticky tongue has to catch that fly. So ready? Find your nice frog pose. Stand really still on your lily pad. And you ready? Look around for that fly. Here comes one. Catch it. Yum, yum. 5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Catch one. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Let's do that jump. Bring it. Then there were what jumped into the pool. How many are left? 4. Good job. 4 green speckled frogs. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were, put one down, 3 green speckled frogs. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Catch your fly. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs. Sing it with me. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. She jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 1 green speckled frog. 1 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Biggest fly ever. Yum, yum. And jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs. Shake out the legs, bounce out the legs. Nice basketball then. Good job, shake out the hands, shake out the bottom. Ooh. Great job, that was so awesome. That was so much fun exploring nature and going outside to see what's happening in spring. So let me know, go outside, go breathe in some fresh air, go breathe in any of the fragrances, and maybe be that scientist and be curious and go look around and see what's happening around you in the earth, in the sky, in the trees. And if you have some water nearby, a pond, a stream, go listen and go be that investigator. Great job investigating your own body today, your body, using your body, your mind, and your breath. Can't wait to see you again next time. Let's bring our hands to our heart. Take a moment, look down, say, I love and respect myself. I love and respect myself. And we offer that same kindness and respect to each other. Bye, see you next time.